I'm Mark Sudon with GSG. Today in our applications lab here in Dallas, I want to talk to you about exciting news that we have at GSG. We've just brought on thin thread technology screens. And what I mean by that, these screens have a thinner thread, so you have more open space with the same mesh counts that you're using previously, but the thin thread allows for more opacity, more ink to flow through the screen. You have much better print resolution, and the thin thread also allows you to print with far less squeegee pressure and much faster squeegee speeds. So for you water-based users, one thing you'll love about thin thread technology is you have a much longer open time for your ink that's in your screen during your print run. If you would have to stop for any reason, you're not going to have that prone to dry in like you may get with some water-based inks. The thin thread technology screens are available in size 23 by 31 for automatic presses and 20 by 24 for the manual users. Keep in mind, the thin thread for the manual presses is only available in a 20 by 24 in a 123/55 mesh screen, which is going to be a white mesh. For the 23 by 31 auto users, we have a 123/55 that's available in white and yellow. Then we have a 150/48, a 190/40, a 230/40. Now these are all available in yellow mesh. And also for the jobs, if you're doing some specialty inks, high density puff, we have also an 83/70 that's available in a 23/31, and that is available in white mesh only. One thing to keep in mind, there's going to be some extra care needed with thin thread technology screens. Because of the thinner screen, they are a little more fragile, so you want to make sure in production, your screen department, on press, reclaim, make sure you treat them with a little extra care than you would with a standard mesh screen. For more information on thin thread technology screens here at GSG, reach out to your local sales rep or visit gogsg.com, and thanks for watching.